Today's objective is I can solve area and perimeter questions by applying the formula. So you've learned how to solve all different types of area and perimeter problems. So today we are going to look at all the different types of area and perimeter problems, and they're all going to be mixed up. A plan for a new rectangular swimming pool has an area of 100 square meters and a perimeter of 50 meters. What are the length and width of the room? Then I see my answer choices. I have different lengths and widths. So these are all possible dimensions for our rectangle. First thing we're going to do is reread the problem, mark it up, visualize it, and really understand what's going on in the problem. A plan for a new rectangular swimming pool has an area of 100 square meters and a perimeter of 50 meters. What are the length and width of the room? So I'm given the area, I'm given the perimeter, and I need to solve for the length and the width. Let's go ahead and draw our swimming pool. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. My final question asks me for the length and the width, so I don't know either of those yet. I'm just going to label length and width. These are our variables. Our word problem tells us our area is equal to 100 square meters. And our perimeter is equal to 50 meters. We are solving for our length and our width. So our answer choices gives us all different possibilities for our dimensions. So this is going to be one of those problems where we have to solve each answer choice to see which one fits to get an area of 100 square meters and a perimeter of 50 meters. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and split up our workspace. I'm going to go ahead and move our perimeter up here. Make sure we have enough space for everything. Okay, now we're ready to go. I'm solving for area and perimeter of each of the dimensions. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in our formulas for each answer choice. Our formula for area equals length times width and perimeter equals length plus width plus length plus width. All of our formulas are written. Now all we have to do is plug in the dimensions for each answer choice. So first, looking at answer choice A, we have a length of 10 meters and a width of 10 meters. So I can go ahead and plug those into my formula. Area equals length is 10 times width is also 10. Next, let's plug it into our perimeter formula. So perimeter equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. All right, let's go ahead and solve these. Starting with area, 10 times 10 is 100 square units or square meters. And moving on to perimeter, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 40 meters. Next thing I need to do is check to see if my area and perimeter match the area and perimeter for my problem. So area 100, yep, that matches, and my perimeter is 40. Oh no, we're looking for a perimeter of 50, so this does not match. We can go ahead and eliminate answer choice A. Moving on to B. My length is 50, my width is 2, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that into my formula. Starting with area. Area equals 50 times 2. 50 times 2 equals 100 square meters. Now looking at perimeter. Perimeter equals 50 plus 2 plus 50 plus 2. We can add to solve. 50 plus 2 is 52. 50 plus 2 is 52. 52 plus 52 is 104. Okay, so let's check to see if that matches. We're looking for an area of 100. That matches. And a perimeter of 50. That does not match. So we can go ahead and eliminate B and move on to answer choice C. Answer choice C gives me a length of 25 meters and a width of 4 meters. So we're going to go ahead and plug that into our formulas. Area equals 25 times 4. 25 times 4 is 100 square meters. Now moving on to perimeter. Perimeter equals 25 plus 4 plus 25 plus 4. 25 plus 4 is 29. 25 plus 4 is 29. We can stack to add. (29 plus 29) equals 58 meters. So let's go back and check to see if this matches. We're looking for an area of 100. That matches. And a perimeter of 50. That does not match. Go ahead and eliminate answer choice C. And moving on to D. Our dimensions are a length of 20 meters and a width of 5 meters. So we'll plug it into our formulas. Area equals length is 20. Width is 5. 20 times 5 is 100 square meters. Now perimeter. Perimeter equals 20 plus 5 plus 20 plus 5. 20 plus 5 is 25. 20 plus 5 is 25. Add those together. 25 plus 25 equals 50 meters. So now let's check. We're looking for an area of 100. This matches. And a perimeter of 50. This matches. So we found our answer. Circle answer choice D. Our dimensions for our swimming pool with an area of 100 square meters and a perimeter of 50 meters is 20 meters for length and 5 meters for width. So in a problem like this, we have to really pay attention and use every bit of information given in the problem. If we had only used our answer choices to solve for area, we would have gotten an area of 100 for all four. That would have been tricky. So since we're given area and perimeter, we need to use everything we know from the problem to help us solve. So if you ever get stuck on a problem like this, just go back, make sure you're drawing your picture, labeling your picture, and recording everything you know from the problem. All right, great job. Go ahead and grab a paper, a pencil. Go to the next video for a problem that we're going to solve together.